guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel again. So this video is very different and very fun, informative. So I have right now in front of me two foundations, and this one is the Huda Beauty one. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Foundation. And in this video I'm gonna be just comparing these two foundations with the different factors like finish, price, and longevity, and the way this works on my skin. I'm just comparing the two because a lot of people say that this foundation is the dupe of the Huda Beauty one. So I just want to know and try out to myself, because luckily I have these two foundations from the very longest time and never thought of these things, but I got an idea and just why not just compare these two, because I've never done a comparison videos on my channel. It's been a year. So yeah, let's just compare and find out who is the best and who worth the price, because this is too expensive. This is more than 3,000 rupees, 3,500 something. This is way more affordable. This is around 800. So let's just compare two babies. So yeah, let's just start with the video. Okay guys, so I'm just sort of divide my face into two. This side I'm going to apply the Huda Beauty foundation, and this side I'm going to apply the Super Stay Matte Full Coverage foundation. And I'm just imagining a line. I'm not going to draw any line, but I'm just imagining the line. And to start with, I'm going to apply the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer, because it is a very nice silicone based primer, and I want a good primer to start, because the foundation that I'm going to apply are very full coverage, and it can goes into my skin and cause trouble, and I don't want that. So yeah, just priming my face very basically priming is very important if you like do like a full coverage makeup look, because my skin is healing right now and I don't want any worse to happen to my skin. First I will apply the Huda Beauty foundation onto my right side, because why not. I'm just going to take one pump only at the back of my hand, just one pump. I think one pump is enough for my half of the face. And just firstly I'm just going to make few dots, and then I blend it all over. Just like this. And I'm also not going to apply any concealer, because I want to see the coverage of it, how it works. Oh, it covers everything. As you can see, it covers beautifully. Okay, so I've applied 2 layers of foundation on this side, and it covers everything, like my dark circles, you see the difference, and my all the imperfections, all the discoloration, all the uneven skin tone that I have, it covers it all beautifully, and it's solid full coverage, and it's completely matte. Yeah, it's completely matte, and it dries very quickly. Also, it is transfer proof. I have not set this foundation using a powder. On this side I will apply the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage foundation, and yeah, people call it's a dupe of the Huda Beauty one. So let me see if this is actually a dupe of this one or not. That's the whole point of testing. So I'm just gonna take the one pump exact that I've take the Huda Beauty foundation. Yeah, only one pump. And for the Huda Beauty foundation, the shade is very close to my skin tone, you have seen. So I'm just going to take other side of the beauty blender. This side is the Huda Beauty one, and this side I'm going to be taking to apply the Super Stay one. So doing the same method. First I'm just going to be dot up my skin, and then I will just blend it all. Okay, so I am actually very surprised for the results. Um, it looks very similar. Like I just can't tell that I've applied two different foundation either side, and it's amazing. Okay, so when I try to find the difference between two, I feel like the Huda Beauty one was like too matte and a little heavy, while this one is very lightweight and very natural finish. This one has a natural finish and this is completely matte. And the next difference, I feel like Huda Beauty 1 enhances the texture of my skin. Like I have slightly pores here, very tiny, so you can't see. But this one enhances it a little bit, while the Maybelline one doesn't show up a lot of my texture, so that's a plus point for the Maybelline. And yeah, so let me talk about the coverage. It actually covers entirely like Huda one. Like it covers everything, my dark circles, pigmentation, while the Maybelline one also covers pretty well. Like it covers my dark circles and my scarring or something, but a little bit is peeking through. Like it covers 100% and it covers 90%, like very slight difference of coverage, it's still here. And yeah, and I don't think the any more difference, like there is a lot of difference, like it's completely very similar, like it is almost very similar. So let me talk about the price point. This one retails for 3,500 rupees. 3,200, 3,500, something in mid. And this one's retails for 800 rupees. Like, whoa. If I got this foundation, I'd never purchase this foundation. Like, oh my god, this both are very similar. Like it is actually a cheaper dupe of the Huda Beauty one. It is very similar. I am so surprised. And both foundation works amazingly. The shade matches me perfectly, so I've got a very perfect shade. The shade is latte in the Huda Beauty one, and this one the shade is natural beige. Yeah, it's 220 natural beige. It's 300 latte. So if you are very similar to my skin tone, you can just try out these two shades. And it's amazing. Both are matte finish. Both are suitable for dry to oily oily to normal skin. And yeah. Okay, so one more difference I can tell is this one is a little tacky. Like, yeah, this one is a little tacky, while this one is completely not tacky. Like it is comfortable. Like this side is more comfortable, this side is a little less comfortable. So if I had to choose between two, I think I will choose this one. But one thing that this Huda Beauty foundation is amazing at is the longevity of the foundation. Like this lasts entire day. Like I have tried this foundation, I wore this in occasion, and this lasts me for 12 to 14 hours. Like I was wearing makeup since morning, and at night, like at very late midnight, this foundation was still there and it doesn't budge for my skin, and it doesn't budge from anywhere. So this is very long lasting, although this is also long lasting, but a little lesser than this one. So the only thing this foundation is good at its longevity. So if you're finding a foundation which is more long lasting, like if you have oily skin and foundation doesn't stick to your skin, this is the best. Otherwise, just go for this one. It is way cheaper and affordable and comfortable and lightweight and full coverage, matte finish, good for oily normal skin. this is amazing. So yeah, both foundations are amazing. You just can't compare. Huda Beauty is the best and at this place, and this is best at their place. So both are good. And one thing I want to tell is that you don't need anything to set these foundations, because it's been like 10 to 15 minutes since I've applied this foundation, and and it doesn't crease. Like, I don't see any crease line under my eyes and anything, like any creasiness I just can't see. So if you don't want to set the foundation, you can totally skip it. If you don't want any powders on the skin, you can just go with the natural and just apply tint and just lip tint and do a brows, a little liner and mascara, and just good to go. You have a natural face. So yep, that's the thing I want to mention, guys. So I hope till now you decide which foundation you want according to your choice. So I recommend both, but you don't need to buy both, just buy one of them and you're good to go. So yep, if you want more such videos like this, do let me know, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming content. And yep, I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.